Good morning, everyone. Just came back from the lumber yard. We picked up some wood for our next project. I know you guys haven't seen all my projects lately, but I'm going to try and start making some new videos. I'm going to try and use my iPhone a little bit more to make these videos, so it just makes it easier for me to do in the evenings to quickly make a video and post it. But yeah, let's go check out the lumber that I got. Head back there right now. Okay, so we were working on the floor and we were going to use 2x2s, but instead we got 2x3s, and I'm still not sure which ones I'm going to use. So we are starting another project. Just going to shut the door. So I am starting another project today. This project is the next one. Today I'm going to show you my cabinets. I built some cabinets. I didn't film any of it at the time. I was in a rush because I was going camping. So I was rushed to get them done before I left. So I will show you now what I did and how I made them, and hopefully this helps you guys out on your next build. Okay, and sorry about the mess. We're in the middle of the next project. So you guys didn't see these cabinets being built. I put a actual apartment size fridge freezer. I like to have the extra room. Those run for about 2.5 days off my 200 amp hour Renogy batteries, so I got 400 amp hours altogether. So yeah, that works great. I put a little space up here for like paper products. It does have a lip. I am going to put a little black net, and same with this one. It's kind of got all my tubes and gloves and everything like that, and eventually, yeah, I'll put that little black net just to hold everything in there. It's almost too small to have a cupboard, but it's nice just to have a spot to grab things and go. So how I framed it is I framed it all with 2x2s. The fridge portion is framed with 2x2s. However, I beefed up underneath the fridge. So these are all 2x2s. Underneath here, I put extra brackets on these cross members on the front and back. And you guys can see the bottom, all 2x2s. And then this little edge here is a 1x3, and that's just a nice finishing edge for the whole thing. And we'll go over to this side. Yes, it's a bit of a disaster, so that will get cleaned, but we just got back. So again, this all has this 1x3 edge, but it's all framed out in 2x2 first. And then I used like a 1/8 plywood. That's 1/8 plywood. This stuff is really nice. I really like the design. I used that for all the shelves. So you can see in here all the shelves. That all worked out really nice. And going down to the bottom, I added a water tank. It's not plumbed in quite yet, but it's in there and ready to go. And that all fit nicely. And we made these really nice doors. Compared to my last build, I wanted to build something a bit nicer. So these doors turned out really well. This is just one big door. Kind of made it look like 3. And so I am not a professional. So what I did is I just framed the outside in 1x3s again. And then I took a sheet of this 1/8 plywood and I just basically stapled it to the back of those 1x3s. I know guys would like to make real cover doors where you actually like cut this out and you slide this wood in. I just found this was easier to do. It holds it together much better. We added these nice metal heavy duty handles. You had to kind of inset those because the screws weren't long enough. I have magnetics. These are 2, and they line up over here with these 2, and that holds it shut for when we're driving. We had it down some pretty bumpy roads, but you can see that's a pretty good fit. So yeah, that's the cabinets with the fridge and the 2 cabinets below. Coming over, you know, we spoke about the area up top. I like this one. This one I put on these struts, gas struts. You can buy them on Amazon. I'll link them down below. I could have got away with one, but I put two. And yeah, it holds it shut. Like, you don't need magnets. Like, that's a good fit. And I did the same thing with this door as well. You can see it's all just one piece of 1/8. Got little foam stoppers on either side. That way it doesn't quite slam. Nice handle. And yes, you probably see these handles are not perfect. That's one thing I wish I took a little more time on, was to get those handles nice and straight. You can see the end here, that really nice plywood. Same with over here, turned out really nice. So, you know, I'm not a carpentry expert. I do know quite a bit, but I think overall it turned out really well. I know it looks unfinished over here, but eventually that will be a whole countertop enclosing my batteries and kind of like a heated space. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. To make more cabinets like this, I will make another build video, and that way you guys can see exactly how I did it. I do have more supplies to make them the same, so I am looking forward to getting this stuff done. Just a quick update on the next project. I am installing a bathroom. This is my black tank, this is my gray tank. We're gonna have a toilet in the corner, we're gonna have a shower, we're gonna have a little garage area on the outside over here that'll house the hot water tank, which will be probably an on-demand of some sort. And then we'll have a countertop here. We're gonna put a winch in it, which I'll get into on another video. Yeah, that's gonna be kind of a kitchen area over here with some countertop. That'll all be enclosed, like I said. And yeah, it's gonna be really good. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I know it was a shorter video. I just wanted to give you guys a bit of an update on the trailer and where we're at. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We're gonna have more videos coming in the future. They might be a little bit more spaced out, but I'll do my best to make some content. Thank you guys, and good luck on your builds. Catch you on the next one.